Hello, welcome to the weekend. Please kindly subscribe and share. A former federal prosecutor said that Donald Trump could have broken the gag order in his hush money criminal prosecution when the court extended it to include his family. Former prosecutor and leftist Metastouch editor-in-chief Ron Filipkowski claimed on social media on Tuesday that Trump had broken the injunction by posting a Fox News clip on his Truth Social platform. According to Filipkowski on X, the previous Twitter, Trump broke his gag order this morning by sharing a video of Brian Kilmeade reiterating the same fictitious claim about a fictitious social media account purportedly belonging to the judge's daughter. This led to the gag order being extended. The gag order, which had been in place for a week, was extended by New York State Supreme Court Justice Juan Merchan on Monday night to forbid Trump from speaking about his family or that of Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg, who had sought the change on March 29. According to a June 2022 wedding announcement in Politico, this week, Trump made two social media posts criticizing the judge's daughter, Lauren Merchant, who was the president and partner of Authentic Campaigns, a progressive political consulting business. Trump may face prison time, a fine, or possibly contempt of court if the gag order is broken. The first of Trump's 4 criminal prosecutions, the hush money case, is scheduled to go to trial later this month. It revolves on claims that Trump fabricated invoices to cover up claims of extramarital sex encounters made by Cohen during his 2016 presidential campaign, rather than paying Cohen's legal expenses. Trump has entered a not guilty plea to 34 counts of making false business documents, which is a crime that carries a maximum 4-year jail sentence. He also maintains his innocence. Trump has targeted Juan Merchan's daughter on many occasions, including claims that she recently shared a picture of him in jail on social media. According to a court representative, Lauren Merchant canceled her ex-account last year, so it seems that someone else has taken over ownership of the account to which Trump was alluding. Even with Monday's amended gag order, Trump is still allowed to disparage elected Democrat Bragg and Juan Merchant, who is heading the prosecution in the hush money case. In the amended decision, Juan Merchant said, "This pattern of attacking family members of presiding jurists and attorneys assigned to his cases serves no legitimate purpose. It only instills anxiety in individuals designated or summoned to partake in the proceedings, knowing that not only themselves but also their relatives are fair game for the vilification of the defendant," he went on. After hearing defendants' recent attacks, the average observer must now draw the conclusion that if they become involved in these proceedings, even tangentially, they should worry not only for themselves, but for their loved ones as well, the judge said. Such worries are a clear assault on the rule of law itself and will surely impede the impartial administration of justice. Bragg's office claimed that Trump's claim of a constitutional right to levy personal attacks on family members is as disturbing as it is wrong in their request to extend the gag order. Additionally, the petition stated, "This is not a complex matter. Trial participants' families have to be completely off limits. The defendant's stubborn insistence to the contrary suggests a risky sense of entitlement to terrorize and even physically harm the relatives of people he sees in court." Once more, a judge threatened to bar Donald Trump from seeing the names of the jurors in the Stormy Daniels hush money case if he persisted in his disruptive behavior. The former president should be expressly warned that any statutory right he may have to access juror names will be forfeited by continued harassing or disruptive conduct, Judge Juan Merchan ordered on Monday, concurring with the prosecution. Several legal experts claimed that Merchant's most recent order is an effective means of preventing Trump from disobeying a gag order imposed against him. On April 1, Merchant gave Trump 2 warnings that he might withhold the names of the jurors from him in an expanded gag order. A defendant would be at a significant disadvantage in a case without information about the jury, as they would not have enough information to try to have an unfavorable juror removed. Merchant issued a warning to Trump in the same order, saying, "He is hereby put on notice that if he engages in any conduct that threatens the safety and integrity of the jury or jury selection process, he will forfeit any statutory right he may have to juror names." Prosecutors in New York have charged 34 felonies against Trump, alleging that he made false statements about his business and withheld payments of